What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with a brand new product. This is from the company Mpow. This is the Soundhot B1. Let's check it out. So as I mentioned, this is the Soundhot B1. This is a soundbar from the company Mpow. 3D surround sound. You got 4 main speakers in here. You got advanced DPS technology. You got Bluetooth connectivity. On top of the box, if we can get that turned around, I really want to get this open. So let's talk about this first. It's advertising on the box. Let's read through this. Bluetooth 5.0. It's an all-in-one sound bar. 360 HD stereo sound, HDMI connection, and a DPS chip for some of the latest technology. And it's going to be some of the best sounding technology as well. Flip this over. Same old stuff. Let's get it open. So on the inside, you get this little box right here. Has all your wires and cables, all that good stuff. User manual right here. All that's trash. Inside, this is what we are looking for right here. So this is it right here, soundbar. Get the plastic off. So they actually have this thing wrapped up really nice. There's still some of the plastic trapped in the casing right there. I'll get all that later on. You notice you got 2 mounts on the back. You got your power right here, your headphone adapter right there, USB, your optical, and your HDMI right there. On the side right here, got your power button. So you can control this directly on the soundbar, or you can use the remote that they provided with it. But you got your on off, your pause play, your back and forth, and your sounding up and down right there. And then on the other side, you just got your specs and everything else. On the front, you got all your nice speakers. You got 4 speakers on here. So we're gonna get this connected, and then we're gonna check out how it actually sounds. So this is everything that you get on the inside of the box. You got your remote control, which is going to take 2 AAA batteries. You got your audio cable right there. You have a splitter wire right there. You got HDMI on deck. You got your optical cable right there. And of course your power input right there. So let's get everything connected and let's see how this thing sounds. So as you can see, I got it plugged up. The LED light is blinking, letting us know that we need to connect it to something. Now I'm going to forego the whole screen connecting to an HDMI and all that. We're going to go straight for the Bluetooth because that's mainly what I'm going to be using this for. Bluetooth connectivity, less wires, better. Okay, so 5.0, Bluetooth 5.0 is on deck right over here. We got that. You got the 4 speakers, you got bass, you got equalizers, you got 3D surround sound, you got the full gambit. So got my remote right here, got some batteries in. What I want to do is, first off, turn on and off. So that's off. Turn on, starts back blinking, letting us know that we need to set this up. iPad is over here on my right. It's off screen. I'm going to connect this to my iPad. You should notice, okay, blue light went solid. There we go. We got connectivity to the iPad. Now I just want to get some audio from here just to see what this sounds like. And we're going to just play with the volume and give it a good range of tests. So I'm going to do a movie. I'm going to do some YouTube video, and I'm going to do just some straight up music. First off, let's try the movie part.
This one may be tired of war, but the white wolf has rested long enough.
Where's the fight?
On its way.
So that was a trial of the movie that I wanted to play. Sounds were awesome on that. I could feel the wind coming out of those speakers hitting me right here on my hands. If you can guess what movie that was, just put a comment down below and let me know what you thought that was and what movie that was from. Now, next, we want to play some music. So I got some music in GarageBand that I want to just, mainly the same old songs I always play for you guys when I try things out. But let's go back and okay, so that was music. That was just straight up music, no voice, but nice highs, nice mids, nice lows. You got total range. These speakers are on point with all of that. So now for our final demonstration, I'm going to just basically go to check out one of my favorite people on YouTube. 10 Plus supports wireless power share. So it's ready to charge. I got it activated already. Just gonna pull down from up here and activate right there. Once it's active, you flip it over on the back, take your AirPod Pro, drop it on, light comes on, you got charging enabled on the go. Now you shouldn't need to do this because this case is gonna supply you with 24-hour battery life, but just in case you forget to charge it one time, you flip that phone over. Okay. Below, tell me who you think that was. But I mean, this speaker is really on point. It's no static, it's no issues, it's no lag with the Bluetooth. You got 5.0 connectivity, you got nice surround sound with the movies. You got everything that you will need in this speaker. You got remote control, you got physical buttons on here. You can connect 3.5 millimeter adapters, you name it, you got it. HDMI, it's there. So the speaker is going to run you a little bit over $60, right around $65, but I think it's a really good deal. It's going to liven up any room, and I actually have this in kind of my studio office area, and the sound is crazy in here. Nice sound, nice form, very slim. Everything is compatible. You got Bluetooth 5.0, you got headphones. Everything is on point with this speaker. So I'll drop that link below so you can check this out for yourself. Remember, this is the Soundhot B1 from the company Mpow. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.